Good evening all. Today we are going to see about Forage Job Simulation and they are providing job opportunities also. So that it is a new latest video I'm sharing. So if any doubts on based on what are the new videos you want, please put the comments. We will uh, we will see in the next videos. If you want any consultation, please book in the top mate or pre-placed. We can speak you there, especially for college students, third year category students, and the working professional also. It will be allowed. Now we will go to the website. This is called website is Forage. So my profile is has been completely, has been in my profile dashboard is incompleted, but I'm did so many individual achievements also. But uh, this is a BGC data science job simulation. It is was going progressively. So in progress in the future engineering, it will be the interface. It will be there. Once you are go to the website and sign your working mail or your personal mail, it will be useful. I think so. The working mail will be not allowed. Right? You can use it your personal mail. It will be work on, and we can see the so many companies are where giving the best on AI cloud basis and software engineer basis. So they're giving job simulation. It will be useful. So once I go to the one of the new task, which is Accenture. Okay, Accenture. So we will go to there. It is in a data analytics job simulation. We will continue this. It says it will be the no longer available. We can go to the next one, and it is a new thing. Okay, which one we can take it means go to the explore and click the data. You can see this. Okay, once your interested is loaded, they will give the job simulation based on yours. You can go to there, and based on we can take it as a data for quantum. Once I click the quantum, the page was loading. Due to the some issues, we will go to the back because this page was not come. Yes, we can take it as contact researching for cyber security and marketing analysis and data science for LM groups, the Commonwealth data science was there. It was based on this, and they are taken by lead companies. They will give an option like a recommended. You can go to the recommended. You will check it on based on the AWS, GenAI. It was I am completed. It's based on AI based on super, and Boomerang was hiring for Boomerang essential. And if you are a technology and analyst, you can do it. Uh, and so many things are going on. So we can go to the next page. I will pin this link. I will pin this link. If you want any personally other based on job simulations, please comment skill. I will share you the separate thing, or else I will pin on the I will pin it to the description. You will check it on it, and if you want more the things, you can comment it. We will see you there. Thank you so much.